Hey guys. So
What was that?
hey guys.
Every time you do an intro, you sound different on everyone.
I try to sound the same. I think I do when I do my sit down videos. I sound the same. I do the same intro. Anyways, okay. So today, me and my girlfriend going to the beach. We trying to have a beach day today. So right now, we gotta clean up the room.
Hey.
Right now we gotta clean up the room and then we gotta get some stuff for the beach. Are you following me? Okay, I'm coming. Oh. Alright, so we in the car right now. We're about to get ready to go to the beach, but first we have to make a few stops. See. Okay, so you see my swimsuit, the color of it, and look at Babe's swim trunks. You know what I'm saying? So we kind of matching or whatever, but so we got to stop by the gas station and Walmart, and we're gonna pick up some food, and then we're gonna be going to the beach. Birds are cute. Okay, see you later. To you put it down on the sand and lay on them.
You want a blanket?
Or outdoor blanket. Can you put that on sand? And then, like to dry you off.
Like the kids.
Yeah, they do. These two are cute.
Okay. We'll just get them.
Oh, that's a pretty blue one, babe. I want the light pink.
Sign them to do what? Cute.
Okay. So we got beach towels.
I keep putting my password in your phone.
So we pretty much got everything we needed from Walmart. We just gotta grab ice.
Oh yeah. Go get some ice over there.
Okay. Okay guys, we made it to the beach. We getting set up right now. We got our beach towels and stuff. So cool. We got everything set up. Our little setup so cute. Babe put together the umbrella and stuff. And yeah, gonna have fun at the beach.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Damn, baby. Y'all ready? All right, ready, get set, go.
Good job, Deja. You was right there with him. You was right there that time. When he stuck your ass. You couldn't keep.
This is so slanted. This is so pretty. The pink pony pub.
1956.
Y'all, we getting ready to leave the beach. They dumping out the cooler. We packing up. We got to go. Oh yeah, this is my baby, my car, Luna. Yeah. I'm actually so sad. I actually don't want to leave. We had so much fun today. But we're gonna do another beach day again. Oh, let me get my ass in the car.
What you say?
I said we're gonna do another beach day again.
Oh yeah, of course. I have about 20 of them hoes.
Hair all messed up.
That's because you had a good time.
But yeah, we about to go home. We got like a hour and 2-hour drive back home. We probably gonna stop to get something to eat on the way home.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
You fix your towel.
Okay guys, so we made it back home from the beach. I don't want to show myself right now because I look a hot raggedy mess, so I'm showing the sunscreen that we use. But yeah, we made it back home safely. It's late, almost 11 o'clock. We finna shower and go to bed because we got work in the morning. So if this makes it onto YouTube, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. You're never pressured to do anything you don't want to do here. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.
That was fun for real. I really didn't even know how to work it.